everyone, welcome back to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. I just finished, and I'll probably have this video I finished up first. This is the second. I'm going to do a three-part series. I love that painting so much, and it was black, red, and silver and white mixed together to make a really light silver. This pretty thin consistencies. The silver was Artist Loft White and Creative Inspiration Silver mixed together with Floetrol and water. The black was Craft Smart Black, and the red was a mixture of satin enamel, and that was Winter Poinsettia, and Artist Loft Red. I have about 50-50 on those two colors, and then added Floetrol and water to a thin consistency. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to layer in the cup first. I'm going to do a straight pour, and after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and lay a red thin coat, base coat down first before I do the straight pour. So let's get started. I'm going to just go ahead and put the paint in the cup now. I'm going to try to do it in the same way I did my last pour. I don't know how, when it comes to pouring, it could never be the same, but I'm going to try to do it the same and see if I can make a nice series out of it. So I got red. I'm going to have equal amounts. I think that's probably enough. Red. And then I went with the black. I got big cups because I'm going to do one more. So I poured that on the side about that much. Maybe a little more. Then I did the silver on the top. Okay, might be a little more red than any other color, but we'll see. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and lay the base coat down, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I got the red base down. So on my last video, I call it webbing, the web effect, and I'm hoping to get that this time. So let's see what's going on here. There's a lot of paint. Okay, did a straight pour right down the middle. Then I came back up. Okay. Even though there's plenty of paint, I want to pour a little more red around it like I did last time. Just a little bit. It's a little thinner paint than I had in the cup. Go ahead and, it's already not looking the same. Not yet. Let's see. Here we go. Maybe I'll get it. Maybe I will get the web effect. Cool. Sort of what I got before. And then I started tilting. A lot of paint on here, so tilt. I feel like the paint's thinner on this painting than the last one, and I hope that doesn't ruin it. But I'm going to pour a lot off. that corner. So I'm hoping to get these red pearls coming through the webbing. Let it set for about 15 minutes and I'll bring you back and see what kind of red is going to be popping through that webbing, and then I'm going to check out and see what kind of embellishment I'm going to do while it's wet, probably to a lot of this negative space area, not all of it but some of it, to sort of match the other painting I did. So I will be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, I did get some red coming through the webbing, and I stretched it just a little bit more so I would get more of the silver, that white webbing on the sides here. So this area right here, I'm going to put some, I don't know if I'm going to put lines. Yeah, I'm going to put some lines in it. So I'm just going to do what I did on the other one. Practice here for a minute. Okay. So go. Do one more here. Okay, then I'm going to put some, drop some black dots over in this area. Okay. Well, it looks like a watermelon. And I think I'm going to put, do I want to put some, I think I'm going to put some, well, let me get another pipette. I think I'm going to put some over here of the silver white. I think that's it. So let me bring it down. I'm just going to wait another 10 minutes and see if this spreads out like it did on the other one. And I don't think it will. On the other one it was on the silver, and this time the black dots are on the red. And I think it was the metallic that made it open up and fit in like a puzzle piece. So I'll be right back in about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and it didn't do, the black dots didn't do what it did on the other one. So it was the metallic under the black dots. And I think on this one I used more white than I did silver on the mix, but the webbing still came out great. Anyway, I love it. I'm going to be doing number 3, so look out for that video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye.